Good. So tell me.
I'm filming now.
Okay.
Okay?
And what do you want to say?
This is a Montgomery A-Series elevator directional lantern from the department store at Sears, Gateway Mall, Lincoln, Nebraska.
Oh, well,
It's
the same kind. Yeah.
Same kind one at the Gateway Mall department store. They closed 7 years for good.
Yeah. And what it should look like after we get it wired up, like the other ones, to the bottom.
See the bottom?
You see it?
It's white,
White.
and the upper arrow is red.
Up arrow should be red.
Yeah.
Okay, so up, down.
Yep. Up and down.
Okay?
Okay?
And it's still thunder outside.
And here's still thunder outside.
Okay. And that's it.
All right, you got push up. That's it.
Right.
Stay tuned for restoring video for the.
After we order the lights and they get here, we'll set it up.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. That's it.
That's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.